Remediate. The word remediate is a verb that means to correct or improve something, especially a problem or a deficiency. It is often used in the context of addressing or resolving an issue or finding a solution to a problem. Here are a few examples to help illustrate the meaning of remediate. 1. Example: the company hired a team of experts to remediate the environmental damage caused by the oil spill. Explanation: in this example, remediate is used to describe the actions taken to fix or repair the environmental damage caused by the oil spill. The experts were brought in to find a solution and implement measures to improve the situation. 2. Example: the teacher provided extra tutoring sessions to remediate the students' understanding of the math concepts. Explanation: in this case, remediate is used to describe the teacher's efforts to address the students' lack of understanding in math. The extra tutoring sessions were aimed at correcting their deficiencies and helping them improve their comprehension. 3. Example: the software company released a patch to remediate the security vulnerabilities in their program. Explanation: here, remediate is used to describe the release of a patch or update to fix the security weaknesses in the software. The patch was designed to correct the problem and enhance the program's security. 4. Example: the government implemented policies to remediate the economic downturn and stimulate growth. Explanation: in this example, remediate is used to describe the government's actions to address the economic downturn and improve the overall economic situation. The policies were aimed at resolving the problem and promoting growth. Overall, remediate is a versatile word that is used to describe actions taken to correct, improve, or resolve problems or deficiencies in various contexts. It signifies the process of finding a solution and implementing measures to address an issue or improve a situation.